Hello everyone, welcome to the live today. This is Karmeet. I'm a financial expert and I welcome you all to the webinar. I hope you all are doing well. Kindly share the link with your known ones and join the webinar as soon as possible so that we can talk more about things, we can discuss things out, and we can learn some new strategies. So keep on sharing and keep on joining the webinar. We will wait for a couple of minutes for our traders to join in, and once our traders have joined, we'll start the session for today. In the meantime, do drop in the comment whether you're able to hear me well, any questions you have, how is the trading going on, where are you watching me from? Kindly comment in the comment section. And I just checked the audio and video is clear, so we will wait for a minute or two for the traders to join in. All right, so let me see if there are any comments coming in. Yes, the screen is clear, the audio is clear. Great. So we will give a minute or two for our traders to join in, guys. Once our traders are in, we will start the learning for today. And today we are going to learn a very good strategy, which is very helpful for your trading and which gives good results for you. So let's wait and see maybe a minute or two more, and then we start our sessions. How are you all doing? Where are you watching this webinar from? Kindly put it in the comment section. I do not see any comments coming in. I hope you all are able to hear me, and do share the link with your known one. Guys, this is a new channel and we need your support to grow this channel. So do share the link with your known ones so that more and more people get to know about this channel and they join the webinars and they get to learn. All right, so we have waited for a minute or two. Let us start our session. People will keep joining in. People will, as soon as they get notified about it, they will be in. In the meantime, today we are going to learn about triple rebound. So, as the name says, something that is going to be used thrice. That is triple rebound. Now, what is triple rebound? How it works? What can we do to understand it better? We will see that. But right now, you are able to see the desktop version, that is the web version of Olymp Trade on your screen, right? In the web version, we see that on the left side, the trades, market, events, and help section is there, which is on the application on the bottom side. In the web version, it's on the left side. The account is on the right side. The trade, time, risk-free trade, everything comes on the right side. And the assets are, as usual, on the top. When you click on the asset, the list opens up and you can select fixed time, forex, or stocks. Now, as you know, I mostly trade in fixed time, so we will be checking fixed time assets. All right. And on the screen, you see on the left hand side, we see the signals, we see the graph, and we see our technical analysis. Now, when I click on the technical analysis, a list of indicators, oscillators, or we can say technical analysis tools opens up, right? So what are the tools? How do we use them? We will certainly check that. I see that more people have joined in. Kindly make comments in the live chat. I have opened the live chat for you so that we are able to discuss things, we are able to talk, and do share the links with your known ones so that they can also learn from this session. So in technical analysis, friends, we have indicators, we have oscillators, we have drawings, strategies, and advisors. Now, normally, some traders might use few indicators, for example, SMA, EMA, parabolic, whereas some traders use oscillators, for example, MACD, RSI, stochastic. But I normally suggest using strategies. The reason I make this suggestion is because strategy is one which comes with a default setting, first of all. You don't have to make any changes to it. It comes with a default setting and the signals are much stronger than a single indicator or oscillator. Okay. So when we talk about strategy, when we click on strategy, a list opens up. We see that some name of the strategies have a blue arrow in front of that. That is the strategy for a starter level trader. Then there are few with green, which are for an advanced level trader. And then comes the strategies with yellow arrows. Now, these are for our expert level traders. Now, when you reach expert level, you have access to the yellow ones, green ones, as well as the blue ones. Okay. So all these strategies are available for you. I have picked up one expert level strategy, which is the triple rebound strategy. It works on fixed time and forex. Now, what is a triple rebound? When you click on that, a short video and a summary opens up. What is triple rebound? How it works? We will certainly check it out. All right. In the meantime, let me see if there are any comments. If not, I would suggest please keep the comment section active. Guys, the more you comment, the more we talk, the more doubts will be clarified over here. So please comment whoever is available here. I have not received any comment, and the more questions I have, I might be able to address those. All right, so let's move on further. We were talking about triple rebound. Now, what is triple rebound? How it works? This is a counter trend strategy based on three RSIs. So there are three RSIs. As I said in the beginning, triple. The name itself says something that is going to be used thrice. So this is a triple rebound strategy which has three RSI indicators. And the RSI indicators have different settings. For example, like 1, 2, 3. So every RSI has different period. When the price enters the overbought or oversold zone in all the three RSI variants, it's an indication to open a position aimed at the price returning into the channel. This strategy relies on patient observation, and you can learn how to effectively use it from the video. So when you see that all the three indicators are going in the same direction, there can be a counter trend. That means it can reverse. For example, when I play this video, it shows us what is triple rebound. This is activated, right? Yeah. Okay, so I will not confuse you with the video, but let me show you how. So here you see that first of all, we will change the colors. I don't want to be confused with the colors, which is which color, and 21 we will make it red. Okay, so the purple one is RSI 7, the yellow one is RSI 14, and the red one is RSI 21. Whenever we see that all the three RSIs are going in the overbought zone. For example, crossing the level 70. After that, we will see a reversal coming up. In the same way, when the RSI 7 and mostly the RSI 14 goes near the oversold zone, you will see a reversal coming up. Okay, for example, now here you see it crossed and now it's going in a downward direction. As soon as you see this happening, we will make a 2 to 3 minutes down trade. Let's see. Okay, now you are seeing a kind of fluctuation happening here. You see, again, it is showing an upward trend, but we will still try to make a down trade here. Okay, so very simple strategy, but it needs a lot of observation. Why? Because you need to patiently wait for the signal. You need to wait for all the three RSIs to give you a signal. For example, over here, you see that RSI 7 was about to go, went near the 70 line. RSI 14 was about to go near the 70 line, and RSI 21 too. But what we did over here, we waited for the crossover to happen and it to reverse. Once there is a reversal, we will make this trade. Okay. Again, I'll explain it to you with another asset. Good evening, Santosh sir. How are you, sir? All right. So, Santosh sir, today we are learning the triple rebound strategy. I'm sure I have taught you this in the past, but again, we are learning it today. So what is a triple rebound strategy? I will show you that, how it works. I'll explain you that, and then we will make some trade. Here you see, here is a situation coming up. The the RSI 7 and the RSI 14. The red line is the overbought zone, and the green line, which is the level 30, is the oversold zone. Um, I'm really sorry for Hindi. You can join the webinar. Yesterday, Kunal had a webinar in Hindi for the same strategy, and tomorrow I will have one more webinar in Hindi for some other strategy. So you can join the at 7 p.m. tomorrow. Okay. So now we see over here the RSI 7 and the RSI 14 went near the level 70. Okay, they went near the level 70. It's all good now, Santosh. A few, the climate change and also, yeah, now better. All right. So as soon as it touched the overbought zone, it showed a reversal. You see a reversal coming up, but we are waiting. Why? Because this asset has been kind of flat. It has been kind of non-performing thing. Here we might see a reversal. Why? RSI 7 is crossing the level 30. It is going in the oversold zone. Even the RSI 14 is going near the oversold zone, which is 30. So from here, we might see a reversal. Maybe the next candle, we will patiently wait for the candle to end. Maybe the next candle will show us the reversal. Now here you see the Euro USD trade that we made. It went in a positive approach. So let's wait. Let's see what the next candle has to do. And I am sure we will have to make a up trade here. You see a reversal coming up now, right? You see the RSI 7 is shifting in the upward direction. So it is giving a downtrend here. What happened to you, Santosh? So I hope you're fine now. The climate is really bad, so please do take care. Okay. Now, one thing before we proceed ahead, always remember what amount are you supposed to trade? Trade on 5 to 10% of your account balance. Don't make very big trade. I am totally fine now. So, Santosh, sir, please take care of your health. And time should be now, graph time is 1 minute, trade time should be 2 to 3 minutes. Graph time will be 5 minutes, trade time should be 10 to 15 minutes. Okay. So whatever is the graph time, your trade time should be double or triple of that. I can make an up trade here, but I am waiting for the reversal to be visible. I see a reversal coming here. I made a trade. Let's see how this one goes. All right. Also, yes, Astro, I will check. Santosha, just give me 1 second. Certainly, I'll check Astro. Yes, Astro is also going to give you a reversal soon. Maybe in this candle or the next candle. But I think let's wait for the signal to be visible in green, then we make a trade here. Okay. One more thing, see, I come here every week to teach you strategy. We try our best that demonstrate strategy to the best possible way to you. But let me clear it to you. No strategy is going to give you 100% success ratio. There might be times when one strategy is like 90-95% success and one is 60-65%. So it all depends on the market situation. Sometimes there is a lot of fluctuation. There might not be very much success. And do not copy trade, guys, because me making this trade and that being visible to you, there are few seconds delay. So do not copy trade. Here we see one reversal coming. Do you see here? It was going down, it showed a reversal. I have made an up trade, even the RSI 14 and even the RSI 21. So I made an up trade here. Right now, let's check what's up with Asia Composite. Okay, Asia Composite flipped, but there are chances that it might go again, or we already have one more trade active. So now I know that I have to work on my recovery for Asia Composite. So I will find more signals. Is triple rebound clear to you guys? If you have any questions, do let me know so that I can check and guide you accordingly. If not, we will start searching for trades. Okay, we will start looking for signals and we will make our trades. So please comment quickly whether it is clear to you. Here also we are getting a down signal. But what I am going to do over here is I am going to use my risk free for recovery. Okay, right now it is not giving a signal, so we will wait. What happened to this? That did not go positive, so no worries. Fever, Santosh sir, please take care. Fever has, I mean, there are a lot of, illnesses that have come in, so that can be very harmful. Please take it. We will wait. Someone keep an eye on Euro composite because still it is not reversal. There's no reversal in Euro composite as of now. Keep on checking assets. See, if you notice one thing in my trading is I do not stick to one asset. That okay, I will only trade in Asia composite. I keep on, yes, Astro was a good signal. Astro was a good signal, so we catch that, but we also need to wait patiently. We missed the Moonch index signal. No worries, when it reverses from the bottom, we will make a trade. So patience is the key when you're using triple rebound. You need to wait for the right opportunity. Here also we might get a down signal in Euro USD. Okay. Is triple rebound clear, guys? Comment quickly whether you have any doubts, any questions. Do comment it in the comment section and let me know if you have doubts. We will try to clarify that. If not, then great. We can go ahead with our learning here. The Astro trade went positive. Obviously, it had to. It was a very good signal. So, any questions, any doubts over here till now, whatever triple rebound we have explained? Do you know when you're going to make the trade? This is a counter trend. Counter trend, as in there is going to be a reversal here. So, whenever it crosses the red line, it is going to reverse in the downward direction. When it crosses the green line, it is going to reverse in the upward direction. Simple way. Overbought is the red line, oversold is the green line. Okay. Very simple to understand. I hope it's clear to you guys. If any questions, do comment in the comment section. Right now, Euro USD. What is going on with? Okay, that also changed. So no worries. We have used our risk-free trade and there's nothing to worry about that. I can see a trend coming up in Euro composite. So I made a trade. Let's see how this one goes. If it is clear to you, do comment in the comment section. If you see any asset like Santosh sir mentioned about Astro, we made a trade there. Again, here we might have a signal coming up. So please comment. Asia has a signal. Let me check. Yes. Asia has a signal, and I guess we have a chance to recover here. So let's make this trade. I used risk free so that the money is safe and there is nothing to worry about. But let's see what happened to Euro USD. Did it go in the downward direction? It is going in the downward direction, but I do not feel that in 15 seconds and 30 seconds it will be down. It will take some time. But no worries, we will work on our recovery. It can, it cannot. And you see the fluctuation in Euro as well. Let's check Asia component. Okay. Asia has flipped, but I think it will go in the upward direction because it has a trend going on and one trend has ended. So it will go in the upward direction. There is just fluctuation that we are seeing. Okay. Yes, Asia, I've made a trade. Let's see, hoping that it goes in the upward direction so that we have all the things recovered. Okay, let's wait for this. And in the meantime, we will check other assets as well. But I will also be checking the questions. If there are any questions coming up in the comment section, I will be checking that so that we discuss about it. Any doubts on this? Any doubts about triple rebound? There might be some fluctuations in the market, so it can suddenly change. Like here, you see it is showing an upward trend, but there is a sudden change in the market. So that is fine. We have a risk-free use. Maybe it flips in the last moment as well and it goes positive. Anything can happen in the live market. Okay. So that is why I always tell you guys, save your risk-free trades. Use it when there is a lot of fluctuation. Right now, no trade has gone positive after that, and even this one. So we are back to where we were, and let's wait for some signals. Let us analyze more And let's see if we have a signal. Euro composite might have a signal, but not very stable one. So let's make a down trade here and let's move to another asset. Strategy, okay, sure. So Santosh sir, please focus on the screen. Whenever first of all, the purple one is RSI 7, which is the fastest RSI. The second one is RSI 14, and the third one is RSI 21. Okay, whenever we see that the RSI 7 and RSI 14 especially have touched the 30 line or gone below the 30 line, you will see a reversal coming up from there. In the same way, when you see that RSI 7 or RSI 14 are RSI 7 will touch, RSI 14 will RSI 7 will go above the 70 line, RSI 14 will touch, and RSI 21 will be near. You will make a reverse. The asset will make a reversal in the downward direction. Okay, so that will be a downtrend. All right. So that is how this strategy works. Asia, I see that we missed Asia actually. It was here that we were supposed to trade. We missed that signal and it is a fluctuating asset at the moment. So right now I'm not trading on Asia because we made a couple of trades there, but it did not. Here also you see it was giving a signal, but again the fluctuation happened. So the market is fluctuating. We will try to recover the maximum amount. Here you see it touched the level 30 and now it is reversing back. So whenever it touches, you will see a reversal happening after maybe one candle or two candles. So you need to wait and then you will see the reversal. All right. So that is how this strategy is going to work. We will need a more detailed analysis over here to understand this strategy in a much better way. All right, no signal over here. Let me check other asset. No, Asia, we do not have a signal. Let's keep on checking other asset. You also check if, okay, here we have a reversal that came up. We will wait. We will wait for some time and then we will make a trade. Euro USD actually is showing reversal. Let's see now. Do not enter a trade in the middle of the candle. Okay, wait for the candle to end and then Karthik sir, I'll certainly check Asia. Just give me 1 second. I'll quickly check it for you. Okay, Asia is giving a signal, but that's too late. We will come back to Asia when it is showing a reversal now. Okay, like here we have a reversal, but again you see the market is flipping. So Euro USD is not an asset where we are going to trade. Let's check Asia again. So Asia crossed, now Asia will show a reversal maybe after this candle. Now, Karthik sir, I want you to keep an eye on Asia because the 7 is almost touching the 70 level. It will cross and then it will show a reversal. So keep an eye on Asia. I'll come back to it, sir. Okay. Here also there might be a reversal in commodity that will come up. No, now it will show a downtrend. After two candles, maybe one or two candles, it will go reverse. That is, it will show downtrend. You see, now it crossed from here, it will go down. Uptrend ended. Now from here, downtrend will start. Okay. Let's wait for actually 8 seconds because the candle is about to end. And you see, it's 5 seconds, but see the strength of the candle. It's very weak. Now it is showing a flat. So we will wait. We will wait for this level to come down. As soon as you see it is coming downward, then we make a trade. You see a reversal. I told you it crosses the level 70, it will show a reversal. It crosses the level 30, it will show the reversal. Okay, let's make a trade. Let's see how this goes. I made this for you, Karthik sir, because yes, it's a good signal, but just that, okay, here also we are getting a signal in Euro composite. Okay, so after this, we will see a reversal coming up. So this candle ends, you see a reversal that will come up. The market might flip. This will also, you see that the 7 level is started going downwards. It's going to the over here also. See, it's not rising, it's going downwards. So that means there can be a reversal. We will wait for a few seconds or maybe this candle for Euro Composite to end. Your uptrend should come after 2 to 3 candles. So this is how this strategy is actually going to work. We have an up trade here. Let's make a small trade, actually maybe a $10 trade in the upward direction, because you see it flipped, it is going in the upward direction. Right now we have two ongoing trades. Let's see how this one is going. Yes, this will go, it flipped, but I'm sure it should go in the downward direction. That's the only reason we use risk-free trades, right? That's the only reason I tell you to save your risk-free trade. Do you see the flip coming up? It can again go in the downward direction because ROC 7 is still not showing strength, and you see there is a downward trend coming up. But market can flip anytime. So patience is what we need here. All right, let's check Astro. So always remember, need to focus on the overbought and the oversold zone. When RSI 7 is the most promising in RSI, when that gives a signal, look at RSI 14. When RSI 14 gives a signal, look at RSI 21, sorry. And when both of them are giving a signal, that is the time you look at the color of the candle and make your trade. Okay, see, Astro has flipped, but there are chances that it can go positive because still we see movement. We still see that the RSI 7 and 14 are trying to rise, but the market condition is not letting it. So forget about it. We'll work on our recovery now. Santosh, so if you're not well, I would recommend you please take rest, take a proper rest, and you can join us back when you're fine, when you're fit, and we will be waiting for you to be fit and fine and be here. So. Any questions here? Yes, the market is very fluctuating, so we will not be making very big trades. We will be not making very huge trades, but we will try to keep on making smaller trades so that somehow we are able to work on our recovery. Like over here, we made a trade, it flipped. Okay, so Asia is a bit fluctuating today. Once this crosses, we can make a down trade. Yes, Karthik sir, please go ahead with your question. Please, Karthik sir, do ask me a question. 2000 का risk trade है. See, whatever is your risk trade amount. For example, now as soon as I click the $10 here, you see the default amount becomes $10. Okay, so whatever risk-free trade you have to make a trade on that amount. You have to 2000, you have to make a trade on 2000. You have 100 risk-free trade, you have to make a trade of 100 rupees. No, Karthik sir, the live is not daily. We have lives in Hindi on Tuesday and Thursday at 7 p.m. Indian time. We have live in English on Wednesday and Friday at 6:30 p.m. Indian time. Okay, I hope that's clear. So right now, let's see commodity. Okay, commodity is right now in our favor. I am not going to look at it because you never know what fluctuation you see in the last minute. So I am not looking at commodity right now. Here we missed a signal. I hope I answered your question, sir. Okay, the $50 trade that we made on commodity, that went positive, and with that we recovered all our losses. And right now, if I check what I previously was having in my account, I am almost 15 to $20 in profit. Okay, so why? Because I use my risk-free trade. Now, euro is not giving a signal, but I'm sure next candle is going to have a down signal. Even if we missed this one, the next candle will come up with a signal. Yes, Santosh sir. If you have one trade, for example, here I have different amount. If you have one trade of 2000 rupees, your one, as soon as you click on that, your trade amount will be of 2000. So even if you don't want it, you will have to use the whole amount. So that is the thing with risk-free trade. Okay. Any questions, Karthik sir, Santosh sir, whoever is watching me over here, any more questions you have for me? Let's start from the beginning and see if we have any signals coming up. Not in gold. Asia is fluctuating. It has signal. It will show a reversal now. But right now, we will have to wait for some time. See, I told you Asia will show a reversal. We do not have a now this kind of market. I really wanted to show you this where one candle is red, green, and there are very small candles. There is no strength in that candle. We are not going to trade in such assets. Why? Because these assets are the most fluctuating assets, not reliable at all, most fluctuating, and the results can be very impactful. Like over here, you see it almost went in the upward direction and then again it's coming downward. So will I be risking my money in gold now? No, I will not, because I see a lot of fluctuation and I see that it's not been a reliable asset. I might try Asia again because it is giving a signal of upward direction. So we might try that, but not very sure about it. Yes, here we have a signal, which is a good signal actually. Let's wait for this candle to end and then we will see if this, line, the RSI line changes the direction, we will not make a trade. But if it is going downwards, we will make a trade here. Okay, so that is how all this is going to work. You need to analyze, you need to keep patience, you need to check. Okay, which, see, there is a flip. This started going in the upward direction, so we will not make a trade here. We will wait for this to give a proper trend, not in this situation. Okay. Any doubts, please put it in the comment section. We have some more time left for us. So you have any questions, please put it there. Triple rebound is actually a very good strategy. I would suggest that before making any judgment about it, since few trades went negative, before making any judgment, just make sure that and try it in the safer time period, which is, Indian time around 11:30, 12:30. Try it that time so that you can see the result. Now, here you see this kind of market and you see the RSIs. There is no much movement happening. It is a flat, neither it is going in the overbought zone, neither oversold zone. So this is flat market. The strength of the candle is also very weak. So in these type of situations, we are not going to make trades. We will find assets where there is a proper trend. Okay. Is it clear to you? Any questions? Please drop it in the comments. Again, gold, see the fluctuation? It went upward, it is again going downwards. So now once it is going to cross, once it crosses the oversold zone, then there might be a proper uptrend coming up. Okay, so wait patiently for the results, wait patiently for things to happen. Do not be in a hurry when trading, guys. If you hurry for anything, the results are going to be very bad. Again here, you see the fluctuation. Now it is showing a downtrend. We can make a down trade here, but I am not very sure about Euro Composite because previously also it showed a down trade, but it switched. So let's use a risk free and then make a trade. Because this time, today, I don't know if any one of you have tried, but today the market is very, very fluctuating. Right now we have this trade active, which is positive. So what that means is the strategy gave a right signal, but the market fluctuation led to, ups and downs. So we cannot blame the strategy over here, right? It is giving us a signal. And tomorrow also I will be live. I will be going live tomorrow in Hindi. All right, on the same channel, but at 7 p.m. I hope you'll join tomorrow as well. So see the fluctuation? It flipped. As I told you, the strategy was going right, very right, but suddenly there is a fluctuation. And you never know whether this fluctuation is going to go. So let's not look at the asset. Let the trade end and then we will look at it. Why stress about it? So go ahead, guys. Any questions, any doubts, please post it in the comment section. Santosh sir, please tell me if you have any questions. Did you understand the strategy? Here we are going to get a downtrend, an up trade now, sorry, up signal now, because there is a very good opportunity that there might be a reversal. Let's wait for the candle. Let's analyze a bit of the background. Did gold ever cross this level? Just give me one second. No, gold has never crossed this level, so that means that there will be an uptrend coming up now. So you see, this is going in the upward direction. So we will analyze it, but it can flip anytime. A very small trade of maybe. Now I am making a small trade, but I will not enter in the middle of the candle. I will wait for the candle to end. All right, we will wait for this candle to end. If this candle ends and still it is showing an upward trend, then we will make this trade. 6 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. No, you see a flip happening. So we are not trading in gold at the moment. I hope that is clear. What I'm trying to explain you over here, that is clear to you that there can be a flip anytime. You need to be prepared for it. All right, there can be a fluctuation, there can be a flip happening. The reason I'm using risk free is because I know the market situation is very bad today. Asia is again giving a signal in the next candle for an upward direction. So we can try that, but again, I'm not very much sure about Asia's performance. So let's see maybe a $5 trade actually. Let the candle end and then we'll see. If it gives a uptrend, that would be great. We can make a up trade here. You see the RSI 7 is giving an up signal. The RSI 14 is also trying to give an up signal, but it is fluctuating. So no, we are not going to risk it over here. So if you actually keep on checking, different assets, I'm sure somewhere or the other, every 5 minutes you will find signal. But if you are stubborn on one asset, then finding signal is going to be a task for you. Because the more assets you check, the better opportunities you actually get. So it is very important for you to keep checking the assets. Let's check commodity for that. Okay, you see the fluctuation? Now it was here where we made a trade here. And it was going downward, but suddenly there is a flip and now it's going upward. And now after this candle, it will again show a down. I told you this is what happens when the market is fluctuating. So right now it is not any strategy, right now it is not any asset, it is just the market fluctuation happening. All right, so I am going to find a signal and make maybe a couple of trade more. But after that, I won't be making any trade because I have already got my around $15 profit, which I'm happy with. So I don't want to risk it more. I will be making a couple of trade if I find a good signal. Like here, somehow Asia is showing a signal. If it turns out that the next candle also is in green and going well, we will make this trade. Sorry. Yes, I am on Asia, Rajat sir. Rajat sir, how are you? Where were you? It's been a long time. I didn't see you in the last session. Actually, I was also not there. So, Rajat sir, do you see Asia? Why I'm not trading in Asia? It couple of time gave us a hint that I'm going in the upward direction, but when you check, it is flipping. So I made 2 to 3 trades in Asia today, but then it suddenly flipped, so I stopped trading them. So analysis is going to be the most important thing when using any signal, any strategy. Let's make a trade on crypto and see how this goes. It's a very small amount trade, but it can be very effective as well. So we have around 10 to 12 minutes left. Maybe one more trade more I'll do just to recover. And after that, we will be discussing about emotional trading. We will be talking about some technical analysis that we need to do when making a trade. And then we'll end our session. I'll meet you tomorrow at 7 p.m. Indian time. Okay. Here we are getting a down signal, and maybe we can make a down trade of $10. It can flip. Right now both the trades are positive. I don't know what result it can be, but let's hope for the best. And what topic would you all like to discuss with me today? Will it be about emotional trading? Will it be about psychological trading? Will it be about analysis? What do we want to talk today? Let me know in the comment section quickly so that we can discuss on that topic. Okay, right now both the trades are positive. If these two go positive, we will be in a very good profit of around say $30 in all in 1 hour, which is a really good profit. So let's check crypto. There is a fluctuation in crypto, but you never know what happens in the very last minute. Okay, now you see it's rising, it's changing. So anything can happen. I am INR for only 11,000 is left as capital. Okay, Rajat, so what happened? Last time we spoke, you were doing really well. Then what happened suddenly, sir? Did you make any trades in hurry or something? Any bigger trades, shorter duration, risky trades, something like that, Rajat, sir? In the last session, we were very happy about your trades, and suddenly I heard this from you. So what happened? What time duration are you using for your trading? What amount are you using in your trade? Tell me that. Emotions and psychology, certainly, Shahzad sir, we will talk about that. I make a note of it. Okay, here you see the fluctuation happening. Downtrend, then upward direction. So no, this is not something that we are trading on. Same goes here. Crypto has a down signal. No, crypto flipped. Crypto just flipped, Santosh. So that's the reason I did not make. The commodity trade went positive. So that's great. Crypto flipped. We are not making a trade on crypto. And let's make one last check from the beginning of the assets. If we find any perfect signal, I am going to make a trade. Otherwise, we are done for trading for today, and then we will talk about emotions and psychology. Quick, Rajat sir, why? Why 5 seconds? Why do you want to make such quick trades, and why do you want to make such risky trade, Rajat sir? Do not make such risky trades. It is not good for you. I always tell you in the session, sir, no risky trade, no 5 seconds trade. Did you see me ever making a 5 second trade here? You will not, sir, because I believe that this is my hard earned money. How can I just let it go like this? I cannot. So why you are making such risky trade, Rajat, sir? Don't do that. Please make trade at least for 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, if you really want to recover, make trade for no, Rajat sir, you are not. Even when I, okay, okay, tell me one thing, Rajat sir. Since how long are you trading? How many years? How many months? Please tell me that. I let's guys talk about Rajat sir here today. Okay, because I think he's emotionally down with the losses, but let's motivate him. Let's talk to him and let's see. So tell me, Rajat sir, how long have you been trading? Okay, how long has it been that you are trading? Tell me that. Is it been a year, two, three, four? How many? Because then I'll tell you a story which will make you believe in yourself. Because if you feel that in one night things are going to change, then it is not going to happen like this. It will take time, 3 years. Okay. And since when are you properly learning? I mean, taking sessions, learning, and all of that. Since when is that happening with you, Rajat sir? How long has that been? Yeah. So tell me, Rajat sir. See, when I started trading, it took me around 3 to 4 years, Rajat sir. Not even Lexa trade. Okay. Not even, 2 years, 3 years. You are still stronger than me then. Because it took me 3 to 4 years to understand where am I supposed to trade, how am I supposed to trade. So for you, there is still scope, there is still time. Okay, you still have a lot of time left, Rajat sir. But if you keep on trading risky like this, the way you are trading, that is not going to help you. See, make very simple thing. If the candle time is 1 minute, trade time is 2 to 3 minutes, candle is 5 minutes, trade time is 10 to 15 minutes. Stop making risky trade and you will see improvement in your trading. Okay, do that, and I'm sure the next webinar we meet in tomorrow is very early, but the next week that I meet you, you will be in a better situation. Okay, so I think that we have done the trades for today. We also have this trade completed, which went in a positive result. Right now, one is there. So let's not focus on trading now. We are done for the trading for today. Now we will talk about, like, Shehzad sir, are you here? Because we are going to talk about emotions and psychology of trading. So I hope you are here so that you don't miss out on this, Shehzad sir. So please confirm your presence here. As soon as we get a reply from Shehzad sir, we will start discussing about the emotions and psychology of trading. So I'm waiting for his reply because he really wanted to talk about that. So let's wait maybe a minute. You're most welcome, Rajat sir, and I hope I hear something good out of it from you in the next session. So let's hope for this best and wish you all the best for getting success. Shazad, sir, I'm waiting for you. If you're here, we'll talk about emotions and psychology. Yes, he's here. Okay, great. So when we talk about emotions, see, normally, be it any country, any person from any place, we always invest money thinking that I want profit. Okay, before investing, we keep in mind, okay, when I put this much money, I'm going to get this out of it. Then I'll buy a house, I'll buy a car, someone wants to buy some bike or something. You already have plans before investment. But when you have these plans, do you actually trade that way that it should give you a result? In the initial stage, we are very careful that, okay, I'll analyze, I will check the candles, I'll go to the background and check the performance and everything. But as soon as you start getting profit, maybe 2 to 3 trades profit, after that, the confidence level is on the toppest floor. We feel that I can do anything. And why do I need to analyze? When I won 8 trades out of 10 means I am an expert, I can do anything. But that psychology can lead to over trading. And what happens is when we start thinking that we know everything, we actually start over trading. We do not analyze the trade. Now, you tell me one thing, all of you who are here, how many times you have actually gone in the candles, in the trend? You have understood, okay, now the trend is ending, now the other trend will start, so I'll make a trade in this direction. How many times have you actually analyzed? I am sure you have not. In the initial days, you did, but later on, you did not. Why? Because that overconfidence comes in. So do not do that. You are putting your hard earned money. And always remember, I told you last time also, set your goals, set your target that, okay, I want to earn this much out of my investment. And please make a realistic target. Do not think that I'll put 10,000 and I'll earn 80,000. No. You put 10,000, you might set a target for 20,000, double amount. But you cannot put 10,000 and achieve, and aim for bigger levels. So for that, you need to make yourself understood that, okay, I have to set my target, maybe a weekly target, a daily target, something like that. And as soon as you hit that target, you need to stop trading, guys. If you have achieved the target and just for overconfidence, you still keep on trading, that is not good for you. That is not good for your account, for your mental well-being. Okay, and emotions. Whenever either, you mornings we get up, normally I have seen every Indian has that habit, of saying, who did I look at in the morning that my day went so bad? So when you know your day is bad, I would suggest do not trade that time, because that negativity is going to impact you, that negativity is going to affect you in your trading. So if you are having a fight with someone, uh, if you are having a fight with someone, if you are not feeling well, for example, today Santosh sir is not well, last couple of weeks I was not well, so I did not trade for a couple of weeks. Why? Because I knew that I am not in that mental state. Even if I trade, I'm not going to sit and keep on analyzing in detail and then make a trade. So what I did is I stopped my trading that time. So I told Santosh sir also today that go and rest, do not trade. Why? Because the negativity that we have, that impacts our trading to a very different level, which is not good for us. Okay. So I will suggest do not do that. Try to make trades when you're in a good mood, when you're having good atmosphere around, fights with someone, you have borrowed money from someone, you are stressed about returning it back. Do not trade. The negativity is going to impact. Okay. And if, right, for example, now you might have noticed or you guys did not notice, three trades back to back went negative for me. Okay, what I did is I took a break for a couple of minutes. I purposely went to the comments. I started checking the comment section to relax myself. Yes, to relax myself, to bring my hyperness down so that I can work on the recovery. I expect the same from you guys. If you see that back to back three trades have gone negative, stop trading for 5 minutes. Go to your balcony, you have a veranda, go there, you have a garden, go there, grab a cup of coffee, sit, think what should be done, what am I missing out on, okay? Then come back, but then you make trade on other asset. Do not trade on the same asset. All right. These things you need to follow. Now, I have some comments. I have 2 to 3 minutes left. So let me quickly check the comment. I have Prabhakar sir saying, ma'am, I trade by using own technique, own strategy. It works 50-50. What should I do? See, Prabhakar sir, 50-50 is also a good percentage, I would say. But again, if you feel that I need to learn something more, we are there to guide you. If you are on an expert level, quickly drop your ID. I will have a personal session arranged for you where they will analyze your way of trading and they will guide you what needs to be done. You can analyze, however, I don't know how to profit. Yes, Prabhakar sir. For that only I said, if you are on an advanced or an expert level, quickly drop your user ID, which you will find here on your profile. Here you will find your user ID. Quickly put your user ID there and we will be able to assist you with it. Okay. Yes, Santosh sir. Very great if you're not trading today because you are not fit right now. If you trade, that is not going to give you a very good positive result. And moreover, money will go. You will not get rest. Tomorrow you'll be more sick. So why do that? Rest, guys. Give yourself a break. When you feel it's becoming stressful, give a break. Do not continue trading in the stress level. So I don't think Prabhakar sir is sending his ID. So it's time for me to end the session, guys. I didn't realize how this 55 minutes went with you. Tomorrow I'll meet you at 7 p.m. In Hindi language on the same channel. So please do join it. Okay, Prabhakar sir, I'm waiting for your ID. Please share your ID. Even if on advanced level, I will try to arrange a session for you. Please share your ID. And in the meantime, guys, please focus. Please do not stress, do not feel that you are not able to do something. I'm sure all my brothers here are able to achieve a good level. Okay, and they will be on a good level at a certain time. So please take care. The climate is very bad. Please be careful about your health. And I hope to see you all fit and fine and happy tomorrow in our session at 7 p.m. Till that time, please take care. And I'm just waiting for a minute. Okay, Prabhakar sir, I have your ID. I will connect with you. Okay. So please add your mobile number in your account, Prabhakar sir. Then only I'll be able to contact you. Please add your mobile.